fire engine coming to a crashed car after an accident on the countryside road. Smoke coming out from the underhood.
In today's video, we're going to show you how to use VideoProc Vlogger to create this kind of new style video. So if you're interested in this one, keep watching. To make a news video like this, first, we need to prepare the materials we need. You can download online the news-related opening footage, background footage, and the news content footage. Then, use green screen to shoot the footage of the news reporter. At last, find the proper music as the background music. Open VideoProc Vlogger to create the opening animation of the news. First, import the materials you have prepared. Then, drag the news opening into the video track. Adjust the timeline to right size. Then, use Ripple Edit to crop to the right length. Next, let's put the background music into the audio track. Crop it to the right length as well. But note that the background music should be longer than the video clip. Then, we use Split to cut the background music from here. Select the second half. Go to the audio. Click Select All, and then select the Fade Out. This will slowly reduce the volume. Then, we go on to add some text to the screen. Click on Titles and select the template. Put it in the subtitle track. Then click on Add Text. Change the content of the text here. Then, choose a suitable font. You can choose a proper style in the style. Or you can adjust the parameters directly on the right side. Then click on Animation. Choose a suitable entrance animation. Here I'm gonna go with the fading. Adjust the animation time on the right side here. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, in Inspector on the right, adjust the text to the right position. Next, we create a news content. We place the background material that we prepared on the video track. Place the anchor footage on the overlay track. Click these two buttons to make the frame fit to the screen. Then use the chroma key to remove the green screen. You can also adjust the position of the character in the preview window. Then, create a new overlay track. Place the news content material on the new track. Adjust the screen to the right size and the proper position in the preview window. Find the Fade and Move in Inspector on the right. Check the fading box and adjust the duration. Use Split to cut it off at the right position. Select the second half to make it fit to the screen. Next, let's create a lower third subtitle bar. We have shown you how to create a lower third in the previous video, and you click on the link in the upper right to check it out. Well, today we're going to show you a different way here to make a lower third. Select the preset in title, and put it in the subtitle track. Click on Edit Text. Delete the text. Then, we use Unicode, which is a special character. We're going to use this full block. You can find and copy the complete code in the description box down below, or Google and find it. Type several full blocks in the text field. Then, change the text color to gradient. Adjust the scale to right size. In Animation, select the Clip Left row. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Adjust their position in Inspector. Then, follow the same method to create a bottom right lower third. Then, create 2 new subtitle tracks. Add a text message for the lower third. We can also add a moving effect to a text in animation here. Now, a news video is complete.
A fire engine coming to a crashed car after an accident on the countryside road. Smoke coming out from the underhood.
Well, this is all for today's video. And if you want to learn more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!